Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a circle mask to your videos in CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. Just open up your CapCut project and then tap on the video where you would like to apply your circle mask. Then on the bottom, swipe to the right until you find the mask option. Then the circle mask is going to be right here. It is the third option and you can apply it and you can resize it as you want. You can make it larger or smaller, and you can also apply this feather feature, which means that the circle is not going to have these sharp edges but this soft one. So you can apply the mask anywhere on your image as you like, and then just tap on the check mark and now you have your video masked and it only shows that part that you highlighted. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation and see you in the next one.